What if I told you I made this lip color with these ingredients? You wouldn't believe me, but I tell you, I cook good and look good all on the low. And this is how low you can go. How low can you go? Fancy who you know. So what we're gonna use here is the 64 pack of Crayola crayons, the coconut oil from the Dollar Tree, Okay, these are the colors that we got. I'm gonna swatch them on my forearm so you can know exactly what's popping. Just for reference, back, yeah, Crayola Crayola lips, okay, color me, Queemie.